In this guide, I'm going to show you the fastest ways to level up and grow your garden here in Grow a Garden. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But by far the fastest way to gain XP is by spamming high tier recipes and completing daily quests. Doing this consistently is how players reach higher levels quickly, including rewards like the Arctic Fox at level 40. You can also use the Reclaimer quest trick, which will give you a huge XP boost. This is by far one of the best strategies in the entire game. If you get a quest like plant a rare seed, for example, like a dragon fruit, but you only have one seed, do this. Essentially plant the seed and then use the Reclaimer tool, which you can get from over in these shops over here, and then essentially use that tool to get it back and replant it, and it'll let you plant, X amount of seeds in seconds without placing any actual like rare seeds down. Now, by far one of the most efficient ways is to earn season pass XP. Who are the best non-event recipes? Now, mythical food is just 2 peppers plus 1 corn, and that'll give you 6 XP. Divine food is 1 sugar apple plus 1 coconut, and that's 7 XP. And then the translucent sweet tea, which is the best overall, is 3 sugar apples and 1 burning bee, which will give you 9 XP. If you're grinding XP, these are what you're going to want to focus on. But also avoid low value crops. Not all crops are obviously worth planting. You're not going to want to do single harvest crops like carrots. Instead, use something like blueberries, tomatoes, and corn that'll keep producing after harvest, giving you constant XP and steady currency. Whenever you have the opportunity to, and we have a ton of videos going over these codes, make sure you're redeeming codes as well, because some codes will give you XP boosts, decorations, and trophy items. These won't carry you alone, but they do help speed things up, and it really is as simple as that. That is how you can go ahead and level up quick here in Grow a Garden. If you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.